Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I am a full-time seller on the Poshmark app, but today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. Today is going to be just a really quick unboxing of the IPSY bag, but instead of doing like typical people do, they just upload the products, I'm actually going to go ahead and put them on for you. So I got a really good variety this month of items that all complement each other. I didn't get any like hand cream. Sometimes they send you multiple, like they'll send you a mask and a hand cream, like two different creams. But this time I got really good stuff. I mean, I always get good stuff anyway, but I feel like they really did great this month. This month they actually sent an extra little gift. It says that our holiday gift to you, a bonus 6 glam bag product. So they typically send 5 products. The price for the bag is $10 per month. That includes your shipping. You get 5 products and you get a bag in there. Sometimes the products are like a sample size or a travel size or something like that. But sometimes they're full size too. And you're gonna see, obviously I got a brush and it is full size. Okay, so first things first, they come in a really cute package. These are actually really great for resellers because you can, you know, cover up the shipping label and reuse this bag. It's padded, so really great for like packaging jewelry or smaller items. So here's the bag I got. Really cute and sequiny. Kind of reminds me of New Year's more than Christmas. There's the back. It's got their little logo there at the bottom. Fake leather. Really cute tassel, and these make great gifts with purchase for resellers as well. So I'm on the Poshmark app. You can find me at the Scott Cottage, and I will link that link down below for you guys. So I like to give these away because I don't need a bag from every month. Like I'll keep the ones that I like, and then I'll put those in there. So I really kind of like this one. I'll probably keep it. We'll see. Okay, so let's go over what we find in here first, and then I'm going to go ahead and I have my mirror here. I'm going to put that on. So I already have foundation on. I have eyebrows on, powder and blush. I don't do a lot of makeup. Makeup is not my thing, but I thought it would be really great just to demo what I got in the bag and also how you can use the items. Okay, so I did get a mud mask. There's that. So it is a Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend, deep sea mud mask. So even though this is a smaller size, this will last quite a few times. So usually when I get their stuff, it'll last me a good 6 months. So I love getting masks. I mean, who doesn't love getting masks? I know I do. Okay, so next thing, I have already looked through here, so this is why I knew to do the video, so it's not like a big surprise of what's in here. This is Steve Lawrence, and it is a eyeshadow. Ingredients, the first ingredient is mica. So if you ever see mica in there, you know it's going to be a shimmer product. So that would be what is in here. Really, really cute little packaging. So this to me looks like a full-size product. I mean, it's loose shadow, so I definitely would consider this a full-size product. Hopefully, I don't want to angle it too much and spill it. So, gorgeous, gorgeous color. Let me see if I can show you maybe on my hand. Okay, so there is the color. Very pretty. I really like neutrals and things that can go with anything. I'm not real big on the flashy blues and purples or what have you. So there's product number 2. Okay, next is product number 3. I love, love, love getting mascara, and I actually get mascara most of the time. I want to say at least every other bag, so I've never had to buy mascara. Like since I've been a subscriber of IPSY, the only thing that I've had to buy makeup wise for myself is my foundation. And I purchased that on Amazon. If you're interested, I can link below what kind I use. It's just the kind I use, I get it actually subscribed to on Amazon Prime. So it comes every like 3 months or something like that. Alright, this is called Superhero Mascara. So it is a travel size. It is smaller, but you know, mascara does last a while. And you are supposed to throw away your mascara after every 3 months anyway. So it's the perfect size. let's see, Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So it actually has the real results of someone here. It says 96% said lashes looked stretched, 96% saw dramatic volume and length, 96% saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw a fuller lash line. So we're going to use that today. It does look like it's just black, which I tend to lean more towards the brown black because I am so fair and I have light eyes, and the black sometimes just is too much. But as long as I don't layer it on there, it's okay. It doesn't say actually what color, but it definitely just looks like black, not a brown black. So moving on. So this is what I mean about you do get full size. So this is a High Shine Lip Cream. So what brand is this? The Beauty Crop. I'm not sure if I've ever used the Beauty Crop before, but I definitely like lip stuff. And a lip cream is probably going to have a little bit more color to it than a lip gloss, but not quite a lipstick. I have gotten lip stains, which I really, really like too. So let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, looks very pretty. Okay, they just did such a good job with the colors that they sent me. These are all definitely colors. This definitely has a lot of pink in there, but these are definitely colors that I would wear typically when I actually put makeup on. I'm a stay-at-home mommy, so I don't wear makeup very often, which is nice. Okay, so next is a brush. So obviously this is going to be a full size. I do enjoy getting brushes. So this is, okay, a good like just fluffy blending brush. I actually have a ton of these, but I will use it. I really like the handle. Farrah. Okay. Don't know about the brand. It actually has like a place for your fingers to, if you see those grooves, has a place for your fingers to just kind of rest. That's really nice. That's a little bit nicer than ones that I typically get. All right, now last but not least, we have a eyeliner. I do believe it could be a lip liner. AM to PM eyeliner. So this is, I would say, a sample size, but then again, you don't want to use your eyeliner longer than 3 months or so. Because it just gets old, bacteria and stuff. And so let's see, oh, it's a mocha color, so it's not black. That's good. I've got a lot of black. Like I said, I tend to use the brown blacks a little bit more than blacks just with my coloring. All right. Okay. There we go. Hopefully you can see. Okay. Ooh, it comes out really nicely and smooth like butter. That's going to be really pretty. It does come out very easily, so you're going to have a light hand with this, which is why I have Q-tips down here, because I'm known to make mistakes. So there's the inside of the bag. They always have just such cute detail with their bags, I think. That's why they make great gifts with purchase. Sorry, I'm going to do something. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on. I'll start with the, let's see, I'll start with the loose eyeshadow. Now, in order to apply this, I'm going to use a flat brush. This is just something I actually got in an IPSY bag before, but when you use the big fluffy brush, you can tend to drop a lot of it kind of down here, which is really hard to get back off with any kind of stuff that has mica or glitter in it. Those of you that know, when you go to wipe it away, it stays and it just makes a big mess. So I'm hoping to be careful and use this to apply. And when you apply, you want to tap off the excess, because the same thing's going to happen. If I just go put it in there and start putting it on, it's all going to fall underneath my lash line and it's going to be really difficult to get off. So I'm actually going to use the lid. I'm going to get a little bit of product out on here, tap it off, and then kind of use my lid as well, just to kind of make sure. Okay, so one thing, when I thought this video was going to be short. I'm sorry if it's long, but I just like to explain. As you get older, when you start pulling your eyelid like this, you're going to start getting these lines here, which I already have. some fine lines there from doing in the past. So if you can get away with just closing your eye and applying it, you're not going to get those wrinkles as bad. So I'm going to try to do that. My eyebrows are crazy today, but if I don't fill them in, they are translucent. So they look funny until I do my makeup, my eye makeup, and then they're okay. All right. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Kind of reminds me of like a mermaid. Just really pretty color. But like I said, it's very neutral. It's not dark by any means. Okay. Very pretty. So I can go in now with my fluffy brush and just blend it up. A mirror kind of behind my phone here to blend on up. I'm not going to bring this up any higher because I'm not doing a really heavy like makeup look today. All right. Gotta do the other eye. So I do have kind of hooded eyes, so I do have to be careful with doing my eyeshadow and my eyeliner a certain way. It will make my eyes appear really tiny and closed. So I typically don't do a like color on my eyelid. I will do a color on my crease, but for today's purposes, I just wanted to do this real quick. Yeah, this is a really, really pretty color. I like it. Do a little more here. I did bring in another brush, and I'm going to put the same color just on my lower lash line, just to kind of... I really like this blending brush. This feels great. I might change out and get rid of some that are older. Okay, going in with my smaller one, I'm just going to do my lash line just to add a little bit of color down there. So sorry about that. I got a phone call, so I'm going to have to marry these two videos. So sorry about that. So back to it. I'm just lining my lower lash line with the eyeshadow. Nothing too crazy. But I am definitely loving this color. It is a beautiful, beautiful color, guys. Alright, so I think I'm good with that. There's what it looks like. Beautiful color. So I do typically highlight my brow bone there when I do my makeup, but I'm not going to do that today. Alright, so next I'll do the eyeliner. And like I said, this comes off and out really easily, so I'm going to really try to be careful not to do it too heavy. So I'm only going to do the top. I'm not going to do the bottom unless I want to kind of blur it out, which I might do. We'll see how this looks with just the top. But I don't do a lot because, like I said, I kind of have hooded eyes, and when I do a lot of eyeliner, it just kind of closes them in, and I don't want to do that. So for this, I do have to pull it a little bit. Just make sure you're being gentle. We don't want to create any other wrinkles than we have to, right? Okay. Yeah, that looks nice. So goes on really nice and smooth and crisp. Nothing crazy. There's the other one. Okay, that looks really nice. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit underneath. And then blur it out. So what I do, because my eyes are smaller, I only do the small corners. And then I use the angled brush again and just kind of blend that out. So it's not such a strong line. Okay, there's that. Not bad. I'm really enjoying these products. Okay, time for the mascara. This is where I usually mess up. Hopefully not today, right? Okay, so there's the wand, just kind of a basic wand. So what I do is I do my top lashes, and I will do one side and then do the other, and by the time I get back over, this is dry. I'll do 2 coats, and then I just do the bottom. Wow, this really does make them longer. Okay, so because my eyelashes are white, I have to do the top part too. So those of you that have blonde hair, lighter hair, make sure you're getting both sides, because when you look down, you want to be able to see that you have eyelashes. So Make sure you're kind of getting both the top and the bottom, which is a little tricky sometimes. Okay, I like this. This is pretty. It does make them longer. Wow. Look at that. Wow. And I don't think it's too black. I don't think I'm going to hate that. But that does work. It does make them longer. Which I like. Who doesn't like long eyelashes? I'm not one to do fake eyelashes. I can't ever get them right. And they bug me. I'll do them every once in a while for Halloween, and that's about it. Even then, I usually take them off before the night's over. Okay. I am liking this. I'm going to be using this because it definitely does make them longer. Ooh, I could even do one more coat. Alright. Next is the lip cream. I don't know that I've ever used a lip cream. I've used like a lip gloss and lip stain. So this is really pretty. It's also really bright. So if I mess up, it's going to be everywhere. So I always start out with just a little and kind of rub them together. Is this pretty? What do you guys think? It's not a color I would typically pick up for myself, but not bad. Okay, let me take my hair thingy down so we get the full experience. Yeah, I am liking this look. What do you guys think? I'm not sure about the lip gloss, the lip cream, but the rest of it I really, really like. So comment below if you guys like this. If you are interested in possibly getting an IPSY bag, I will see about getting you a discount code. I can't promise anything, but I will see what I can find on my IPSY website. It's an awesome program. I will say that when you get your bag, if you go on there and you review your products, you get points. And usually about every third bag, I will get a new, like a free product. So you get to go on there and redeem your points and pick out a new product for your bag. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I do unboxings quite a bit. I'm doing a ThredUp unboxing probably today because I got my box in. It's actually sitting right here early, like a whole 3 days early. So I'll probably go ahead and unbox that for you guys today. So subscribe below. Make sure you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.